What is corporation? A corporation is an artificial being, a separate legal entity created by operation of law, with rights of succession and powers authorized by law. It has a personality distinct from its owners called shareholders or stockholders, and can own assets, and enter contracts, inquire debt, sue and be sued in its own name. Who are the stakeholders of a corporation? Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have vested an interest in the organization and can affect or be affected by its actions, objectives, and performance. We have shareholders or the owners. These are the individuals or entities who own shares of stock in the corporation. They provide capital and are directly impacted by the company's financial performance, profitability, and value maximization efforts. Next is the employees. These are the individuals employed by the corporation to perform work in exchange for wages or salary. Next is the customers. These are the individuals or organizations who purchase the corporation goods or services. Next, we have the suppliers. These are the business that provide raw materials, components, or services to the corporation. Next, we have the community or the public. These are the local residents, community groups, and the general public where the corporation operates. We have government or regulators, local, state, and federal agencies that set laws, collect taxes, and enforce regulations. Last, we have the lenders or creditors. These are the financial institutions or individuals who have loaned money to the corporation. Number 3. Example of direct stakeholder from indirect stakeholder and explain. So direct stakeholders are these groups have a clear, direct, and immediate impact on the organization, daily operation, and performance. We have the employees and consumer. So the employees involved in daily tasks, employee day-to-day work is the center of the organization. While the customers, these are directly affect revenue through their purchases. Next, we have the indirect stakeholders. These groups have a wider form of influence and do not typically engage in daily interactions or transactions with the company. Examples are the general public or community or the government agencies. So a community member does not directly buy from the company daily, but they are affected by the company's environmental impact or reputation. Number 4. Duties of Board of Directors. The Board of Directors is the governing body elected by shareholders to oversee management and set the strategic direction of the company. So the duties include setting strategic goals and board policies, overseeing financial performance, hiring and evaluating senior management, risk management and compliance. And we have the duty of care, duty of loyalty, and duty of obedience. Number 5. What are the purposes of a corporation? So, to operate a business as a separate legal entity. This structure allows the business to conduct activities, own property, and incur liabilities distinct from its owners. To raise capital. Corporation can raise large amount of capital by issuing stock or debt, which funds operations and major investments. Last is to provide limited liability, protecting the personal assets of owners from the corporation's debt and lawsuits. Number 6. Differentiate multinational versus transnational corporation and give example. So, multinational corporation is a centralized management typically coordinated from a single head office in the home country. It aims for standardized, globally uniform products and strategies across all markets, and identifies with one single home country. while the transnational corporation, decentralized with decision-making power, R&D, and marketing distributed among various national offices. It aims for a high local responsiveness, tailoring products, strategies, and management to meet the specific social and cultural differences of each local market, and does not consider any one country its national home, operates globally as an integrated multinational entity. So, the examples of multinational corporation. We have Coca-Cola, McDonald's, IBM, and Procter and Gamble. So, these are typically offer highly standardized products globally. And we have the examples for transnational corporation. We have Nestle, Shell, and Accenture, example of transnational corporation that significantly adapt their product and strategies to local market needs and employ senior executives from many different countries.